All right, this is a lifestyle video. You're probably not going to learn anything from this. This guy called me up, Cody Epic on YouTube.
I'm only part of the uneducational videos.
Yeah, this is a not educational video. This is a lifestyle vlogger video. And I'll put a link to your channel in the description. So he said, hey, I bought this motorcycle for 50 bucks. Can you come take a look at it and see if it works? And you can make a YouTube video. People always say that when they want me to fix something. Like, hey, you want to make a YouTube video about fixing my washing machine? It'll be fun. And then I fix their washing machine. So let's see here. This is a wheelchair bike. So you get in your wheelchair, you cruise up these. How does that work?
Yeah.
There's probably a release for that. Probably that. Oh, smooth. You roll up in there. There's your spare tire. And then the steering wheel turns it. You got your clocks there. How does he accelerate? That? The heck is that? Oh, that's for the radio. So he's got stereo down here, still stereo. Yeah, if you love weird contraptions, this thing is great. Oh, there's the side cover. Good. That's not lost. And it's a Hondamatic. So people with wheelchairs generally would want a scooter or a automatic transmission on a motorcycle, and Honda made these. This is a 78 Honda 750, but the automatic's actually a 2-range. So he's got this gear shifter, so you can shift it from high-low
Have him hanging out on
with
this
that lever.
seat
Oh yeah.
while you're cruising in the other one.
Hey, little buddy. Taco Bell, right? All right. So yeah, allegedly it was running a year ago. Let's see what we can do with it. I've got some starter fluid and a battery jumper thing.
Let's see, maybe this is like one of those Storage Wars show where you open it up.
Oh, bars of gold, yeah. Jeffrey Epstein stuff. Let's see. All right, bad. Mad Max. Little Mad Max, little brake fluid. Oh yeah, you got a full tool set here.
See?
That's quality. Husky tools. Everything is covered with brake fluid. Vice grip. Oh, there's the old Hondamatic logo. Oh yeah, the hoarders. I gotta start doing more making hoarder videos. All right, anyway, we digress. Let's see if we can get it to fire up a little bit. What's in the front? Ooh, you get a helmet, little oil. Oh, a bunch of helmets. All right, it's a helmet party in the front. Air filter. T-shirt. All right, so some goodies in the front too. So you've got a trunk that you can haul things with. So you could probably convert this back into just a sidecar rig if you wanted to. Say undoing all of this stuff, but I think it'd be more fun to just get yourself a comfortable chair and put it in there, or sell it to someone in a wheelchair who actually wants one of these. And the Hondamatic was picked from this motorcycle graveyard of old Hondamatic wheelchair bikes. I think we got the best one. All right, so got my cameraman now.
Untitled 101.
Untitled 101?
That's the cameraman's YouTube channel.
Oh, it is. So you got a new one. I only know about your old one.
That's the old one.
I thought it was Cody Epic.
Well, that's my secret one.
Oh.
But for your fans could have it. Just that's a Hoo-Hoo Hoblin exclusive.
Right. So he's rigged it up so you push forward on it, and it pulls, and it puts the brakes on, and then you pull back on it, and it accelerates. Here, I'll take that, and then so down here, it's a lot of stuff piled up. So you got a throttle cable here that accelerates, and then down here there's a master cylinder. So when you push forward, there's a little plunger that pushes on the master cylinder. When you pull back, it opens up the throttle and lets off the brakes. And then he's got it chained up to this emergency brake, which is hooked up to the back wheel. So, which he calls an emergency brake, but it's just your rear brake. And then the brakes are linked. So you got a back wheel disc brake here. And then all of this mess goes through the master cylinder and up to the front wheel. It feels pretty spongy. I don't know how you would bleed this system. There's so many wires and opportunities for bubbles in there. Imagine you'd have to do it a couple times. Before we try to start it. So that's on now. No power.
Is the headlight on?
Let me see.
See if the light's on. You have lights are on, you have power. Are they on?
I don't think so. No.
Is this one?
No.
We don't have power to them. Keys on. You'll know if the headlights come on.
Weird one.
Is that blown?
Like they're like lightning bolts. I don't think it's blown. Or it might be though. I've never seen a fuse like that.
I haven't either. That's a weirdie.
Check out this fuse. It's like
What it is, let us know.
lightning bolt. Let us know in the comments if you've ever seen a fuse like this. It's a AC/DC lightning bolt fuse. It's just a bike where you tell people you bought it for $50 and you don't tell them you spent $8,000 running.
That's the technique.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Like this is supposed to be connected to some big fat thing and it broke off.
So maybe there's a big fat thing in there somewhere.
A big fat place to plug the hot.
Here, check this fuse right here. Look, check this fuse right here. Why don't we put one of the fuses right there?
Hit that. Nothing. So it's, well, red wire has to be connected to somewhere, or supposed to be connected to somewhere. Don't know. So the black wire is on the far side. So the red wire. Thus far,
It's going good.
it's going good. You're gonna be rolling in about 30 minutes. We'll be.
Right about it not being education.
This is not educational for you. It's educational for him, like what not to spend your money on or how to completely rebuild a classic Honda. All right, so the part of the video where we started up never happened, but nobody to be continued. Nobody died. So let's do a quick parts analysis. It is good dog keeper if you want to. Actually, if you just want to keep it for something to tie your dog to, that doesn't cost you any more money. So let's see, it needs 3 tires. So well, let's call that $300. Probably more like 400. Electrical wizard needs to figure out what's going on with all the electrics. Carb rebuild. What else do you need? Extreme detailing. Probably brake pads. So if you did it yourself, I bet you could spend $1,000 and make it nice. That's a big assumption. That's assuming that the engine turns over and runs.
The bank will bring you back 1,000, and we'll go from there. Part 2.
You give me that. Well, I didn't say have me do it. This is beyond my skill level. I got my own bikes that don't run. This is. I was thinking we put a little air in the tires, starter fluid. The guy says it ran 3 months ago, so I don't believe that.
I think for him 3 months ago was
Maybe like
a decade
dog
ago.
months. Yeah, 3 dog months. Like 10 years. But I'll put a link in the description to another video I shot on one of these bikes where it's in prime condition, and you'll see how beautiful they can be. So thanks for watching. This was completely pointless. Anything? What do you say? Oh, hit the thumbs up button if you like dogs.
Smash that subscribe button.
Smash the subscribe, smashing and hitting, and comment, like, subscribe. Yeah.